welcome back to EL Conversation Academy.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Like what?
What else do you have today?
Other than practice, nothing. No tests or anything.
Maybe it would be fun if we just went somewhere?
Like after school?
Or even now? You have a nice smile.
You don't talk about him.
He came home one day and told us he got a big promotion. He took us out to some French restaurant to celebrate. And then we went to a movie, and he paid the guy some crazy amount.
Sometimes people need a break. Life gets too much.
See you tomorrow. What's wrong? Hey. It's me. Remember?
Actually, I do recognize you.
Seriously, why are you doing this?
What is it?
Nothing. Do me a favor and don't talk to me again today. I'm sorry. I lost control. Dad, why do you paint?
You never ask about my work.
Hey, babe, what are you doing here?
I think we need to take a break. You don't see me. You have no idea who I am.
It's unique.
Unique?
It's special.
As you wish.
It was a wonderful day. What are you talking about? Oh, times change.
Protocol does not. Your image belongs to us now.
Sorry I made you cry. That is so good to hear.
Do you really want to insult the crown, Miss Moore?
This one isn't very festive.
Keep reading, Mother.
How do you do that?
It's easy.
You're absolutely right. I'm so sorry.
We have a friend here who'd love to ask you some questions.
Wipe that stupid look off your face.
Now get up, get dressed, and follow me to my office.
What are you doing there, Princess Emily? Cancel the wedding.
You have no idea.
Emily. Talk to me.
They want me to give up everything, Richard.
Amber, please.
Just let me finish, okay? Everything is changing.
We need to get back to the palace now.
What time you have to be back to school?
12:15. That's good. That gives us a little time if you'd like to talk a bit.
Why are you doing this?
Because I like you and because I think maybe you don't have anyone else to tell.
She'd be proud of you, Wes.
What?
Did you say something to Miss Roussel about me?
No? She did ask about you.
What'd she say?
She asked how all this was going.
And what'd you say?
I said, I don't know.
Why would you say that?
You mad?
Why would I be mad?
I don't know. Did she say something to you?
Maybe. She was just being really nice, and I was wondering if you had said something about what you saw.
I promised I wouldn't.
Sorry for the complete absence of flavor, Wes. It was Lacey's father's turn to cook. So, Wes, are your parents still together?
My mom passed away last year. Sorry to hear that, Wes.
Bill?
Hello?
What a coincidence.
Why do you do that?
Do what?
Your arm.
How long were you married?
33 years.
It's practically a lifetime.
Where are you going?
You'll see.
What is it?
Find out.
Thank you for the ride.
Thanks for inviting me. Your wife sounds like a very special person.
Thank you for saying that. I actually bought you some flowers, but then I forgot. I left them inside.
Would you excuse me?
Of course, yeah.
You're a smart, wonderful girl. Just because people around you want to hurt each other doesn't mean you should do the same to yourself. You understand that, don't you?
Look, I may be incredibly messed up. And I may do some incredibly stupid things.
Good luck in French.
Hold up, Wes. You want to do better, don't you?
Does it matter?
It only matters if it matters to you.
Bill? Hi.
Hi.
I wanted to thank you again for inviting me to your party. I had a very nice time. There's a free concert on Saturday at McGiffin Park. Perhaps you'd like to go?
I don't think that's a good idea.
You mean the concert, or?
No, I mean, you and I spending more time together. I don't think that's a good idea for either one of us.
I'm sorry if I pushed you.
You're a lovely, wonderful woman. Any man would be crazy not to see that. But I can't do this. I need you to understand that. You okay?
Yeah.
As long as your dad is here, I want you to stay with us.
Wes? How's your father?
He's fine.
If there's anything I can do, I hope you'll let me know.
Mom is amazing. You think I don't miss her every single second of every single day? Dad, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Dad. I didn't mean what I said.
She passed the French final,
Glad to hear it.
but she's still in kind of a bad mood.
Hello.
Hi. I was hoping I'd find you here. Do you like ice cream?
Is that the only reason you're asking me to come?
No, it's not.
Thanks for watching. Comment, share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Take care.